If I want to swim faster or for longer, I need swimming endurance. But what is endurance and how can I build it? Welcome to Skills and Talents, where we answer your questions and help you improve. Consider subscribing for more swimming videos. Muscular endurance is the ability of a muscle or group of muscles to sustain repeated contractions against the resistance for an extended period of time. It is one of the components of muscular fitness, along with muscular strength and power. There are different types of endurance, so we need to focus on your goal. Do you want to swim a 50 or 100 freestyle very fast, holding a sprint velocity, or do you want to swim a marathon? These two require different types of endurance. In fact, they require different types of muscle fibers. The type 1 or slow twitch fibers are more for long distance. The type 2A or fast twitch oxidative are for middle distance. And type 2B or fast twitch glycolytic are for short sprints. We all naturally have a predisposition to have more of one type of fibers than others. The good news is that there is overwhelming evidence that muscle fibers can change from one type to another with training. For the most part, and in general terms, if you want to build endurance for long distances, you need to swim longer distances without stopping. The intensity doesn't need to be very high. Increasing the distance or the intensity over time is one way to increase your long distance endurance. If you want to build endurance for short distances, it is recommended to train in short, intense intervals with rest periods in between. To increase sprint endurance, sometimes swimmers increase the resistance with bands, weights, or parachutes in short but intense distances like 10 or 25 meters. It is also a good idea to complement this type of training with dryland training such as plyometrics and/or Olympic lifts. Olympic lifts are highly technical and should only be done with professional supervision. Swimming endurance is not the only thing that will make you swim faster and longer. There are other factors like VO2 max, lactate threshold, pain tolerance, but the most important factor, especially for a beginner, is the swimming technique. That is why 90% of the content of this channel focuses on swimming technique. So, if you want to learn more, consider subscribing. If you're looking for swimming workouts that combine swimming technique with endurance, we offer just that. We have 3 levels of difficulty you can choose from. Go to skillswimming.com/swimming-workouts to find out more or click here. Use promo code STAMINA for a 40% discount of your first month. Thanks for watching. See you next Friday. Swim fast!